This is weird.
I got 700. How about a quarter?
1,000.
1,000 bucks. 1050.
12. 500 bucks right here. This piece right here, I can honestly see this one doing a potential of a possible $1,000. All right, pirates, here we are. Pirates of all ages, here we are. We just got to the auction. We raced here from the flea market. This storage facility, 150 storage units, and I don't even know why, but look at this. There's policeman, security. This is crazy. Why is this here? I don't know, but we're gonna find out what's going on because we're late. Okay, they had a little party here, it looks like. Okay, oh, they got a garlic fries truck here. Wow, they went all in. Oh, great, loud generator. 150 storage, I'm excited. Who's excited? They haven't had one in years here. I see Storage Stalker. He's stalking his cell phone as always. Shout out to him, forever on his phone. Looks like they got a couple units open. Go over here and take a look. Units and units, we got some units. You just buy this one, Rick?
I wanted the sink. Nice
and there's
sink.
2 more pieces of furniture.
Yeah, that's another sink.
Oh, nice. Little Mama Stalker, Bryce over here. Okay.
All these boxes just thrown in the bottom of all the boxes.
What is this? Possible gun box. I don't know. Out of order employees only. That's my big turn off right there. Alex, here's some nice rims for your Sprinter van.
I would put those on my van too.
You would too.
The back is over there and the bag is over here.
Oh, are you saying you're interested in this one? Oh, I haven't been on the first like 8 you wanted, so I am glad there's friends at the auction. Ooh, almost killed me. I see what his trick is. I don't like that couch laying down there. That's kind of, see that big couch right there? It's like laying down. That new wave right there says a lot about the type of person it is.
Yeah.
You ever use one of those?
There's only a select group of people who use this.
Yeah, I know somebody bought one time, and it's on our back porch for like 10 years, 20, and they finally threw it away.
No, it doesn't look that intriguing now.
Ray will take your action.
I got 700. How about a quarter?
1,000.
1,000 bucks. 1050. 1050. 11.
12.
12. How about 13? 14. 15. 16. 1600. 17. 18. 18 back. No. 1700. Look for 18. 18. 19. No. 1800. 19 anywhere. I got 1800. Look for 19. 1800 going once. 1800 going twice. 19. 2000. 21. 22. 2300. Oh, 2200.
I told you I was going to go too much.
2200 going once. 2200 twice. 23, 24, 25, 2500 back to you. 24, this is 25. 2400 once.
This is about a $1,500 unit.
Twice. 25, 26, 27.
Let it go, Rick.
One time.
Let it go, Rick. Let it go, Rick.
2600 twice. Sold it out. 2600.
I would have let it go. I would have let it go. He's just running it up. This looks like another overpriced unit. I just won't play that game. I don't care.
Where's locker nuts?
He was too lazy to come out here. We tried to get him to. Hear that, Locker Nuts? If you're watching this video, you were wanted today again. That's almost a nice bar right here. Do you think they went through any of these? Like a long time ago?
Honestly, they probably.
This is weird.
I'm just buying. Hopefully, I'll find something.
This one reminds me of the one we bought. Does it look like these are gone through, do you? It's hard to
They used to
tell.
be crooked. These all been sitting for a couple years.
I like this one a little bit. I'm disgusted at myself for maybe coming here today. So far, it's like, it's odd. Usually the photos make stuff look a little worse, and the photos made the stuff look a little better.
Two flat screens?
That's completely ran through.
I got 20 of them.
I seen myself in your first video a long time ago.
In one of my first ones?
Long time ago.
Long time ago, man. I don't even
Stockton,
know.
It was when Stockton was inside the.
Oh, okay. When we
Yeah,
used,
fucking
yeah, because
there.
you guys used to sell with Marco, right?
You sold the cross for me.
What's this? Your business name?
Yeah. You wanna do
I
that
try
video
not to
or
put
what?
people. I don't like filming anybody unless they say, "Hey," because I
Yeah.
feel awkward. Like people walk up to me, I don't want you to be like this because a lot of people get really uncomfortable.
Right.
And I've just trained myself to not
We don't
film
care.
nobody.
Yeah. We don't care. We don't care, man. No, I'm good.
Woo! A drum set. Let's start a band. Guitar case. You got a flashlight?
Can't see through it.
You can see something's in there, but it's not worth the gamble. How many times have I bought a guitar case just to see in it?
I don't know.
Doesn't look bad. Those are probably VCRs, right? Or
Maybe so.
like this. Mainstays they shop at Walmart. Nope.
Look at the top box here.
Nope.
Top box.
White cap frame set. They made clothes. Look, these are what I thought this was. The sewing over there, the threading. A piano. I can't even look at this one. Pianos are my turn-offs.
Yeah, we can knock out all of them today.
What's in this box?
20 bucks? Oh, I'm sorry, 10 for 10. Not bad. I got 20. How about 30? 30.
The refrigerant in there, it's not a bad unit. Those little things are worth a few bucks.
Got 80 look for 90. 80 going once. 80 going twice. Sold it out. 80 bucks. Okay, unit 14. Ridiculous sell one. No sell on 14. Unit 16 right here. How about 50 bucks open? Unit 16, anybody? 10 bucks? $10? 5? I got 5 in the back. How about 10? 5 look for 10. 5, 10, we're at 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 25, 30. How about 40? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100. 100 bucks, 110, 120, 120, no, 110, look for 20, 110 going once, 110 going twice, 20, that over there, I got 30, 130, 140, 142, I got 130, look for 140, said no, 30, 40 in the back, I got 30 going once, 130 going twice, sold it out, 130. Unit 17, right here, sold it out, $5.
So look at you, too scared to make a video. You're scared. Look at you like this. You need to start using a chest cam or something.
My chest is too big, boy.
Okay, unit number 18. $5 anywhere? Unit 18, how about $1? No sell?
¿Cuánto habías pagado?
Jesus.
Sí, las lucesota que te traigas el Más disfruto, maronero.
Oh, they're getting better, guys. Whew. Look at that. They are getting better.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh, hell yeah. Christmas and Halloween. Whew. Baby clothes. I love it. It's exciting. That sucks. I'm gonna miss this.
Look at this with your
Thank you. Appreciate it.
More webs in it.
All right, guys, that's the wrap. We're gonna call this a day. All right, thank you. Oh wow, a lot of dust. All right, guys, we're here. First look into this 10 by 30. I just came to pay because I got a lot to do today. This, oh my gosh, there's a bar. That's echo funny. I paid $6.50 plus taxes. My guess was an older person. That's what I speculated. We're just gonna do a quick walk through here, a little assessment, come back, and we're gonna do the filming and stuff here in a little bit on another day. There was, oh, that looked white. That's right, that looked like a white box. What is this? Plastic containers, a lot of boxes in here. Bedding. What do we got? We got a mirror that fell over and almost broke. We got rocket abs. I might need that. Wow. What is that? Thought it was a gun. It's a pool stick. I'm excited. What is this? Plastic containers, furniture. This will be a decent little load for Stockton. Lots to look in. Kind of weird. And that's a nice Last Supper. That's a nice painting. VHS tapes. This. Let's move this out of the way. I like that saw though. I'm gonna keep that. That's definitely going in my pile for home. This is very hoarderish again. Let's look. Let's see what they're wrapping up here. We got, oh wow, okay. This is looking up to be a quick turn and burn to the Stockton flea market. Okay. Paper towels. We got food, literal food. I'm not gonna do much going through food today. This is heavy, so we'll have to see what's in there. Get a good idea what's in here. All right, what is in here? On 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's tools. Yay. They were a welder. But you know what though? I'll tell you right now, I bet you I got at least 100 bucks of my money back out of this one box. That's probably 25 bucks. These gauges are pretty pricey. Victor company. It's definitely not the guns we were hoping to see in here, but I'm happy as heck with this. We're only 700 deep pretty much in this. Yeah, Larry. Larry said he wasn't buying again. That guy. My friend who bought the other unit that belonged to this, they said he found gold and silver coins. This is actually, in my opinion now, I would say there's at least a $200 sale in this one box right here with all of those parts combined. C-clamps, etc., etc. Not bad. I'm happy. I wasn't you know, the guns I was hoping for, but whatever. Oh wow, that's a first. Okay, that tells me there it's time to go, guys. So we will head home. We got some good stuff coming out of here. I think there'll be something in here somewhere, some treasure. I could tell where it's at. I don't know. Oh wow, this is getting dangerous. This is getting dangerous. A lot of boxes. Definitely hope for profit. Brand new carpet. That's kind of cool. A lot of little brand new things back here. We'll come back here in a couple days. We'll pick this unit up and we will go from there. 175 units tomorrow. All right, pirates, one more quick update. We just bought another unit on the way home. Oh, great. All right, there we go. And we're here to pick it up. Well, not pick it up. We're here to take a quick gander. We've got to pay for it and stuff like we did. There is one specific reason, and one specific reason only I bought this unit. I say that every time. Right here. I'm going to Alameda next month, and there's 1, 2, 3 pieces of modern Danish furniture. I don't know much about it, but I could tell you this. I think the reason why I bought it is I think this piece, and this piece was gonna pay for the bid. It's $1,000, but I like when people collect modern Danish stuff. Basically want it for $860 plus expenses. It's looking at $1,030. What do you guys think? $1,030. What do you think? What would you buy this for? All right, let's slide this out here a little bit. I want to take a look at this. This is money right here. I don't know how much, but I'm willing to bet this chair. I'm gonna polish this up. This is gonna get a nice little buff in, making it all nice and neat. I'm honestly willing to bet you, I'm just gonna say, without looking it up, I'm just gonna guess right now. I'm thinking this is going for 500 bucks right here. And this piece right here, a little dirty on the inside, but it really just needs to be cleaned up. Most importantly, what is marked? I don't know. I promise you, minimum $400 on this dresser. It'll be cleaned up. It's modern Danish. This is the ish. This is the stuff that everybody wants in Alameda. This is exquisite right here. This piece right here, I can honestly see this one doing a potential of a possible $1,000 just as it sits.